Okay, we start again proof of L'Hopital rule 0 by 0 case as x tends to infinity. Okay, let us start that. What they given limit of f of x as x tends to infinity is equal to 0 and limit of g of x as x tends to infinity is 0. Then also they given limit of f dash of x and divided by g dash of x as x tends to infinity is equal to L. Then we need to prove limit of f of x and g of x as x tends to infinity is equal to also L. What we can do by suitable method, we are going to convert uh, what we are going to convert the limit of f of t and g of t as t tends to 0 we can convert, and by L'Hopital rule we can apply, then it is equal to f dash of t and g dash of t tends to 0. Then what we can say, by substitution method, we are going to take t is equal to 1 upon x, then f of t is equal to, we can take new function f of 1 upon t and g of t is equal to 1 upon t. Now after substitution, as x tends to infinity, the limit of f of t at t tends to 0 becomes limit of f of x as x tends to infinity. Okay, is equal to 0. It is now 0 by 0. Now we can work out directly by L'Hopital rule here. If I want to find out this f dash of t and g dash of t, whether they are equal or not, you can check it. Okay, we can check it. If they are equal, then directly you can say that the limit of f of t divided by g dash of t, g of t is equal to L f dash of t and g dash of t divided by t tends to 0. First we need to check out here whether they are equal or not. Limit of f dash of t and g dash of t, because in order to apply the L'Hopital rule, if you work out for that f dash of t, you can work out like this, we can get it, and g dash of t, finally f dash of t and g dash of t, these are equal. And if you take ratio, what we finally can get, this f dash of t divided by g dash of t is equal to f dash of 1 upon t g dash of t. This then definitely can taking the limit to that one, we can conclude that limit of f dash of t divided by g dash of t is, as t tends to 0, is equal to limit of f dash of x divided by g dash of x as x tends to infinity is equal to L. Now we can conclude that yes, but again L'Hopital rule, we can 0 by 0 form, the limit of f of t divided by g of t is equal to t tends to 0 is equal to this one. Is it okay? This is equal to L by this method, by limit of f dash of t divided by g dash of t, t tends to 0 is equal to L. What is L here? This one, L is equal to limit of f of x. And again, what is this limit of f of t and g of t is nothing but the limit of f of x, g of x. Conclusion that this is equal to limit of f of x divided by g of x as x tends to infinity, and this is limit of f dash of t and g dash of t is equal to limit of f dash of x and g dash of x as x tends to infinity. This is how we can prove very easily if you then know the L'Hopital rule. Very simple logic we have done. What we can just by substitution method, we are making like this, as instead of t x tends to infinity, t tends to 0 we are making, and this is equal to by L'Hopital rule here, this is equal to f dash of t and g dash of t. Once after converting x tends to infinity is t tends to by suitable t method, variable substitution method, we are going to convert this into this one. Now, but we don't know this is equal to L or not. By from the step 2 we can conclude, if you find out this one by using this information, we conclude that limit of f dash of t divided by g dash of t is equal to L. Therefore, and after substitution back, what is f of t and g of t is nothing but the limit of f of x. This is how we can, and limit of f dash of t and g dash of t is equal to what, limit of f dash of x divided by g dash of x as x tends to infinity. This is how we can prove very easily. Okay, this is how. Thank you.